Hi kitchen friends! If you love a simple way of cooking and food are still packed with flavors, then this channel is for you. Easy, peasy, and yummy. And welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. And in this episode, we're gonna be making two famous street food. A combination of apple fritters and donuts. Apple inside a donut. Yes, you don't just have one, but two yummy street food, and that is apple donuts. So come on, cook along with me. And we'll start to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And sift the flour. Half cup of granulated sugar. A teaspoon of fine salt. Also a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it well until well combined. Beat 2 whole eggs. Don't forget to add first 1 sachet or 7 grams of instant dry yeast. Then we'll add the beaten eggs to the flour mixture. Let's add 1 cup liquid. And in a little while, I'm going to reveal to you my secret liquid ingredient. Then continue mixing. Mix, mix, mix. And I think you're gonna be needing more liquid ingredient. And this is my secret liquid ingredient. Soda. It can be 7-Up or Sprite or whatever you have inside your fridge. And this carbonated drink will give the butter a fluffy texture. And another flavor will be added to our butter, but you can still use carbonated water. If you want to skip adding more sweetness, you can use instead carbonated water. Just continue mixing until well blended. At this point, our butter is still too dense. So we'll be adding another 1/4 of our carbonated drink. So all in all, we added 1 cup plus 3/4 cups of our carbonated water. The right consistency is not too dense but not runny. Then we set it aside for about a couple of hours. Now we will prepare the apples. We'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to a bowl of water. We will slice the apple at least 1 centimeter thick. By this process, we can prevent the apples from darkening. And we will leave the skin on. And I will core the apple with the use of my piping tip. Drain the apples and dry it well. Then we'll dust it with flour. Don't ever skip this process because the flour will help the butter cling well to the apples, or else the butter will just slide. Now look closely to our butter. The consistency is not dense but not runny. It's just like a cream, and it is flowing. Heat the pan with cooking oil on it, and we're going to deep fry the apples. So dip the apple carefully to the butter and fry it. But make sure that the oil is really hot. We could add the third one, but we should not overcrowd the pan. Let us fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. We'll continue to fry all the apple donuts until we finish all of them. see what will happen. More butter. Our donuts. See the final solution, or the final result, I mean. Real time, no edit. It's happening here so that you'll know what's the good result. Cooking, then we're going to dip again butter with Sprite. Oops. I am making an experiment here. I'm dipping again the fried apple donuts. If the end result is a fluffy and much bigger donuts, let's wait and see. Look at that, it's no longer it's the final result. And this is our final product. Come on, this is tasting time. Can you hear that? It's so crunchy and yummy. So why settle for one when you can have both of them? Apple fritters and donuts equals apple donuts. So yummy. I just hope you enjoyed our episode today. And if you want to learn more quick and easy recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. Oh, this is so yummy. And I'm sure if you learn this recipe, you'll never stop making it and eating it again and again and again. Just like me. Till next Wednesday, stay safe and stay well. God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye.